Welcome back to another Cash Check or Credit with Kira. Y'all, I finally got my hands on one of these Butta lace units, number 5 by Sensationnel. I got it in the T4 golden blonde color. Let's get started.
I should have been prepared for how different this case would feel, but I wasn't. Not at all.
I love that HD lace. They were phenomenal with that. So this has the 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. And get rid of that net. I like to kind of like check it out, see what the curls are like, kind of shake it out, decide if I'm going to keep it curly or do any alterations to it. I'm so excited. Can't y'all tell? Do y'all see how well that lace just blends? Make sure you pull your lace down so that it doesn't crumple and curl under. That's really important. And try to keep those baby hairs. I try not to cut them off too much, but sometimes I just cut too much. Y'all, this got to be ultra glue gel is really invincible. I use this to tack down my wigs because I don't use any of that freeze spray or anything like that. So I usually go underneath my lace these days, and then I just put a little bit on top wherever I'm going to lay those baby hairs, and I promise you it stays in place all day. If y'all know anything from my story time about what happened with my wig at work, you do know that I pretty much wear a wig cap now. Not just a wig cap, but a wig grip now from what happened. But yeah, this particular got to be in that black container. It's amazing. I'm planning on going to get a larger container because I didn't know how great it was. Try it. If you have not, comment below. Let me know what you think if you have tried. Okay, so now that I'm done pretending to act like I know how to do baby hairs, I really suck. I'm going to go in with a little bit of my foundation powder just to cover up that line of demarcation from my wig cap as well as my wig grip, and blend a little bit more with my skin tone. And then I'm going to just customize it to my liking with some water, some mousse, and cut it a little bit.